Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class we are going to continue the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And remember, this is 10th period of this chapter. And you all know that yesterday we conducted the monthly test 2, right? Both mathematics and science. The students who have not got the question paper, no need to worry for that, because now I am going to show you both the question papers and take the screenshot of those and use them for practicing. This is of mathematics. It was conducted for 25 marks, and in this total 13 questions are there, and they are divided into 3 sections A, B and C. Please go through the questions. This is the first one, first page, and this is second page. Now, let's move on to science paper. Even it was also conducted for 25 marks, and it consists of total 14 questions, and they are divided to 3 sections. One is A, second one is B, and third one is C. And please go through the questions. This is first page. Now let me show you the second page. Now, and another one is third page. Yes. Dear students, in this chapter we have already learned how to solve pair of linear equations in two variables by mainly two methods, right? One is graphical method, second one is algebraic. In algebraic method we have 3 sub-methods. One is elimination, second one is substitution, and third one is cross multiplication. And we have already finished a lot of problems with respect to all these methods, and we were solving these equations by using UV method, right? Now let's go for continuing. And in the last class I think we had solved 3 problems with respect to UV method. Let's go for continuing. Please go through this. Here we are going to solve these two pair of linear equations in two variables by UV method. In the previous problems, in each term there was only one variable, either x or y. But here you can notice that in each term there are two variables. Here x and y, here also x and y, x and y, x and y, right? Then how to solve it by UV method? Here, could you tell what is the common in both the equations? Yes, it is 1 by x plus y as well as 1 by x minus y, right? Let's go for taking substitution for these. Here I'll write, let us take 1 by x plus y as u and 1 by x minus y as v. Then how do you go for writing the first equation? See that here 10 by x plus y is there. This can be written as 10 into 1 by x plus y. But what is 1 by x plus y? It is u. So 10 into u, 10u. Hope that you have understood. Then plus. How do you write 2 by x minus y? 2 into 1 by x minus y, where 1 by x minus y is v. Hence this can be written as 2v, which is equal to 4. Clear? Yes. Let us write the second one. It is 15u minus 5v. This is equal to minus 2. Then how do you solve? You can solve these equations by elimination method. Here I will write. It is equation 1 and this is equation 2. To use elimination method, so you have to equalize the coefficient of either u or v. Here I will go for taking this. Okay, this is 2 5s, and this is 5 in 2s. Clear? Now multiply equation 1 by 5. 5 into 10. It is 50. 50u plus 5 2s are 10v. 5 4s are 20. Next, second equation by 2. 2 15s are, it is 30u minus 2 5s are 10v. This is equal to 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4. Now you may go for changing the sign. Plus 10v minus 10v, get cancelled. What is 50u and 30u? You are right, it is 80u. Then what is 20 minus 4? This is 16. U equal to 16 by 80. 1s are and this is 5s are. Therefore, U equal to 1 by 5. Hope that you have understood. Next we have to find out V. To find out V, substitute U value in any one of these two equations. So, let us go for substituting U equal to 1 by 5 in equation 1 only. Equation 1 is, it is 10U plus 2V, this is equal to 4, where U is 1 by 5. 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2V, this is equal to 4. Cancel it. 1s are, 2s are, 2 1s are 2 plus 2V, this is equal to 4. Then 2V, this is equal to 4. Transfer 2 to the right hand side, becomes minus 2. Then 2V, this is equal to 2. Then V is equal to 2 by 2. It is 1. Hope that you have understood. Now, let us go for finding the values of x and y. And you all know that U is 1 by 5. But what has been taken as U? It is 1 by x plus y. This is equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiply, you will get x plus y. This is equal to 5. You may call it as equation 3. Did you understand? Here we cannot find out x and y directly because each term u and v consist of both x and y. They are to be solved. Next I will go for taking v. What is v? This is 1. And where v is 1 by x minus y. This is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Cross multiply. This is x minus y. This is equal to 1. You may call this as equation 4. Now let us go for solving equation 3 and 4. Then by which method? Again by elimination method. Here are right. Equation 3 and 4. See that coefficients, it is same. No need to go for multiplying them with any number. Directly we will write the equation. X plus y equal to 5. Then x minus y is equal to 1. These two get cancelled. X plus x is 2x. 5 plus 1 is 6. X equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. We got the value of x. Then we should find out the value of y. Now you may substitute x equal to 3 either in equation 3 or in equation 4. I go for equation 3. Equation 3 is x plus y equal to 5, where x is 3 plus y equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5. Transfer 3 to the right hand side, minus 3. Y equal to 2. We got both the values x and y. Conclusion. Therefore, x is 3 and y is 2 is the required solution. Is the required solution. Hope that you have understood and you are going to copy from here. It is important one because in each term there are two variables, both x and y. Yes, please go for copying from here to there. Please go through fifth one. Even this is also very important. The reason is here also in each term there are x and y terms. But you can notice that in the previous problem the coefficient of x and y were just one only. But here different are there. Yes. How do you go for taking substitution? Let here what is common in both the equation with respect to first term? 1 by 3x plus y. Here also 1 by 3x plus y. Hence let us assume 1 by 3x plus y as u. Then 1 by 3x minus y as v. Clear? Then how do you go for writing the equation? First one, this is just u and second one is v, which is equal to, this is 3 by 4. See, RHS, the constant is in fraction. Then how do you go for that? Let's do one thing. In the denominator, 4, 1 is there. LCM of all the denominator, 4. So multiply 4 with all the terms. So multiply LCM 4 on both the sides. Then it will be 4u plus 4v. This is equal to, when you multiply 4 here, 4 get cancelled, just you will get 3 only. You may call it as equation 1. Then how do you write this one? See that, it is very important. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y is there. This can be written as, I am going to separate 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into, it is 1 by 3x plus y. Then what is 1 by 3x plus y? It is u. So it is 1 by 2 into u. This can be written as u by 2. Hope that you have understood. Here I will write u by 2. Then how do you write second one? This is also same. But here 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is there. 3x minus y. 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 3x minus y. Where 1 by 3x minus y is v. This will be 1 by 2 into v. This is equal to v by 2. Here I will write v by 2. This is equal to, how much it is? Minus 1 by 8. Here, observe the denominator. Here 2 and 8. So, what is the LCM of 2, 2 and 8? It is 8 only. So, multiply that. Multiply LCM 8 on both the sides. This will be. Multiply 8 here, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. 4u, here 2 1s are, 2 4s are. 4v, this is equal to, multiply 8 here, 8 and 8 get cancelled, this is minus 1. You may call it as equation 2, right? Now let us go for solving equation 1 and 2. By which method? Yes, you are right. This is elimination method. You find it easier to follow elimination method. Here I will draw the line to separate the steps. Let me take both the equations 1 and 2, and you can also notice that coefficient of u in both the equation, it is same. Even we also say no need to go for multiplying the equations by any number. Directly you can go for writing them. It is 4u plus 4v. This is equal to 3. And next 4u minus 4v. This is equal to minus 1. Then see that the coefficients are same with the different sign. You can go for cancelling them. What is 4u plus 4u? This is 8u is equal to, what is 3 minus 1? This is 2. Then u equal to 2 by 8. U equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Now we got u value. Then we should find out v value. What should be done? Yes, you are right. Let us substitute u equal to 1 by 4 in which of these two equations? Either 1 or 2. Anyone can be taken. I go for taking first equation. What is first equation? It is 4u plus 4v. This is equal to 3. What is u? U is 1 by 4. Let us substitute. In place of u, we have written 1 by 4 plus 4v. This is equal to 3. How do you simplify? Yes. Again you are right. You can cancel 4 and 4. You will get 1. 1 plus 4v is equal to 3. Then 4v is equal to 3. Transfer 1 to the right hand side, minus 1. It is 4v is equal to 2. And v is equal to 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Got it? Yes, we got both u and v values, but what we are going to find out? X and y. Hence, let us substitute u for u as well as v. Here I will go for writing that. First one, u. What is u? It is 1 by x plus 1 by 3x plus y. This is equal to u. What is the value of u? U is 1 by 4. Here I write 1 by 3x plus y. This is equal to 1 by 4. Then go for cross multiplication. You will get 3x plus y is equal to 4. You may call it as equation 3. Similarly, let us take v. What is v? It is 1 by 3x minus y. It is equal to v, where the value of v is, it is 1 by 2. Again, go for cross multiplying. You will get 3x minus y is equal to 2. You may call it as equation 4. Now observe both the equations. Coefficients are same. Hence, directly you can go for taking them together to solve. Here, by which method you will follow? It is elimination. The first equation is 3x plus y equal to 4, and second equation is 3x minus y equal to 2. Observe, the coefficient of y is same but opposite in sign. Hence, you can go for cancelling them. Then, without changing the sign. Now, 3x plus 3x, it is 6x equal to 4 plus 2, it is 6. What is the value of x? 6 by 6 is 1. X equal to 1. Now, let's go for finding the value of y. Yes. Substitute the value of x, that is x equal to 1 in either in equation 3 or in 4. Which one you will go for? I will take equation 3, where equation 3 is 3x plus y equal to 4. What is x? It is 1. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 ones are 3 plus y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. Transfer 3 to the right hand side becomes minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? It is 1. Y equal to 1. See that x value is 1. Y value is also 1. Therefore, this is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. Yes. You may go for copying from there to here. Once I repeat, first the given equations are written in the form of u and v. In terms of u and v, we got two equations and we have solved these two equations by elimination method. Then after getting the values of u and v, we have substituted in 1 by 3x plus y in place of u and 1 by 3x minus y in place of u. Again we got two more equations, 3 and 4, and we have solved 3 and 4 by elimination method to get x value as well as y value. Then finally 1 comma 1 is the required solution. Yes, please copy this. Dear students, please go through this. Statement problem is very important in the examination point of view. Please do focus more on this and listen my explanation carefully. First, we shall go through the given statement. It is, a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. This is one situation. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Right? Hope that you have understood the statement. And just we shall go through the meaning of some of the terms. Here they are given stream. What is the meaning of stream? It is running water. The flowing water, that is called stream. Upstream. Look here. See, here the water is flowing in this direction. This is up. It is downstream. if the object is moving in this way or the boat is moving in this way, it is called downstream. And if it moves in the opposite direction, it is called upstream. Clear? Next, still water. Still water means unmoving water. Got it? And with respect to this, I'll give you one simple situation. Imagine that there is running water and you have a capacity to swim in the running water or else stagnant water. But you are able to swim with some speed. If you start swimming in the running water, what happens? Whether your speed increases or decreases, your speed increases. Why? Because your speed and running water speed both are added, right? Suppose you want to swim against the running water. How is this possible? It is possible if and only if you swim with a speed which is more than the running water, then only you can move opposite to that. Then what will be the net speed? Net speed will be your speed minus running water speed. Got it? Yes. With this example, let us go for solving this. Here, once you go through that last statement, from that only we can write the data. And another important information is this problem is related to speed. We have to recall the formula to find out speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to, it is distance by speed. Got it? Remember this. Please go through this. Last sentence. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Are they known? No. Both are unknown. Hence, first I will assume, let the speed of boat in still water be, you may call it as x. Only x. What should be the unit? Kilometer per hour, because here they are given distance in kilometer and time in hours. Similarly, the speed of stream, nothing but flowing water or running water. Stream, this is, let it be y kilometer per hour. Now my question is, if it is so, what is the speed of the boat in upstream and downstream? Let's go for writing one by one. Speed of boat in downstream, that is equal to, yes, it is here in downstream, in case of downstream, here running water speed and the speed of boat in still water, both will be added. What is the speed of boat in still water? X. Running water speed, it is y. It is x plus y. Hope that you have understood. X plus y kilometer per hour. What about speed of boat in upstream? If the boat has to move in the upstream, its speed should be more than that of the running water. Here, the boat is moving in this direction. Under such condition, then we can come to know that it is x minus y. It is speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. Here I'll write x minus y kilometer per hour. Got it? Now let's move on to calculation. I'll keep this formula as it is. Calculation. Here you can notice that distance is given and also time, total time is given. And we all know that V is equal to d by t, that is speed is equal to distance by time, and this can also be written as t is equal to d by v. Time is equal to distance by, it is speed. Let us go for taking the cases one by one. What is the first case? The first case is boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. I'll write the same. 30 kilometer upstream, then and 44 kilometer downstream in, what is the time taken? 10 hours. We know the total time and we have a time formula. What is that time formula? It is D by V. Look here. What is the time taken by the boat in upstream? We know in upstream it covers a distance of 30 kilometer. What is the speed of the boat in upstream? In upstream is x minus y. See, 30 by x minus y plus downstream it covers a distance of 44 kilometer and the speed is x plus y. Altogether time is, it is 10. Did you understand? Yes. Now let's move on to another one. Second one, it is, second case is in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Here I'll write 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream in 13 hours. 13 hours. Yes, 40 kilometer upstream. The time taken is 40 by x minus y. Then a boat covers a distance of 55 kilometer with a speed of x plus y. Altogether it is 13 hours. Hope that you have understood. Now we can go for solving. And I don't have space. First you will go for copying from here to there. Afterwards we will go for solving these two equations. By which method? Yes, you are right. By UV method. And one more thing you can notice that here 30, 40 and 10. These are the multiples of 2. Right? Yes, can we go for cancelling them? Yes. If you go for dividing each of these by 2, it will be 15, this will be 22, this will be 5. Or if you want to keep that as it is, you can. Yes, first you copy this. Yes, let's go for solving this. Then what should be our assumption? See that here x minus y, x minus y, x plus y, x plus y. Hence, we can go for taking, let 1 by x minus y is equal to u and 1 by x plus y, this is equal to, it is v. Then how do you write the first one? It is 30u plus 44v, this is equal to 10, right? Then observe it. Let us divide both sides by 2. This will be 15u, this is 22v, this is 5. You may call it as equation 1. Next, another one is, it is 40u plus 55v, this is equal to 13. You may call it as equation 2. Then how do you go for solving them? You may go for either substitution, elimination or cross multiplication, whichever you want. But in the examination, if they ask you to use the particular method, you have to follow the same. Here, let's go for elimination. This will be easier. Here 22 is there, here 55. We know that 55 2s are 110. 22 5s are 110. Hence it will be easier for simplification. Alright. Multiply by 5. 15 5s are, it is 75. U plus 22 5s are, it is 110 V. 5 5s are, this is 25. Next, multiply the second equation by 2. 42s are, it is 80 U plus 55 2s are, this is 110 V. This is equal to 13 twos are, this is 26. Now let us go for changing the sign. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. Because here the coefficient of V is same but not in opposite sign. Hence we have changed the sign. These two get cancelled. What is 75u minus 80u? Yes, you are right. Minus 5u. This is equal to 25 minus 26. It is minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. U is equal to 1 by 5. Next, let us go for finding the value of V. How? By substituting U value either in 1 or in 2. Let me write the same. Here I write. This is substitute U equal to 1 by 5 in. I'll go for taking the first equation. What is first equation? This is 15U plus 22V. This is equal to 5. Right? Yes. 15 into U it is 1 by 5 plus 22V is equal to 5. 1s are 3s are. 3 1s are 3 plus 22V is equal to 5. 22V is equal to 5 minus 3. 22V is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Then V is equal to 2 by 22. V is equal to 1 by 11. We got both the values of U and V. But we are going to find out the values of X and Y. Let us go for taking substitution for both U and V. In the assumption, we have written 1 by X minus Y as U. I'll write the same. Here, 1 by X minus Y is equal to U. Right? Then what is U? U is 1 by 5. 1 by X minus Y is equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiply. You will get X minus Y equal to 5. You may call it as equation 3. Next. Another one is V is 1 by X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to V, where V is 1 by 11. Cross multiply. You will get X plus Y is equal to 11. You may call it as equation 4. Now let us go for solving equation 3 and 4 by which method? Yes, elimination method. Equation 3 is X minus Y is equal to 5. Equation 4 is X plus Y equal to 4. The coefficients are same and opposite in sign with respect to Y. Cancel this. What is X plus X? This is 2X. 5 plus 4. This is 9. Let us find out the value of X. Yes, it is. No. And this is not 4, this is 11. 5 plus 11 is 16, where X equal to 16 by 2 is 8. Hope that you have understood. Now let us go for finding the value of Y by substituting X value. Here I write. Substitute X equal to 8 in which of the 3 and 4 equations? Let's go for 4th, because positive sign is there. 4th one, it is X plus Y is equal to 11. What is X? 8. 8 plus Y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11. Transfer 8 to the right hand side. Minus 8. Y is equal to 3. Did you understand? So we can write. What does X indicate? X is the speed of the boat in still water. And Y is the speed of the stream. We can write the conclusion as, therefore, the speed of boat in still water is 8 km per hour. And the speed of the stream is 3 km/h. Clear? Hope that you have understood. It is an important statement problem. Please learn it and go for copying from there to here. Now we shall move on to the exercise 3.6. The very first way. It is given like this. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. First one, it is already solved in the worked examples. Now we will move on to second one. It's very simple. Yes. Now you should go on writing with me. First you copy this. Hope that you have copied. You please start writing with me. Yes. Here, what should we assume? Very good. You are right. It is 1 by root x and 1 by root y. 1 by root x it is u. And no rule that you should take always u and v. You may take a and b, m and n, whatever the variables, except x and y. Then 1 by root y. This is equal to v. Let us go for rewriting the equations. How do you write? Write with me. It is 2u plus 3v. This is equal to 2. You may call it as equation 1. Have you written? Yes. Go for second. This is 4u minus 9v. This is equal to minus 1. You may call it as equation 2. How do you go for that? Yes, you can solve this by elimination method. How do you solve? Observe. Here coefficient of u should be equal. Here 2 is there. Here 4 is there. So 2 should be multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. And this is by 1. Or if you want to cancel v term, then 3 should be multiplied by 3. 3 3 is a 9. Here also minus 9 is there. Here I'll write. It is multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4u. 3 2s are 6v. This is equal to 2 2s are 4. Take next one as it is. As it is 1s are, it will be 4u minus 9v. This is equal to minus 1. Now please go for changing the sign because the coefficient of u is equal but not in opposite sign. Hence, these two get cancelled. Next, 6v plus 9v. It is 50v. This is equal to 4 plus 1. This is 5. V is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? Yes. Now, you may substitute V is equal to 1 by 3 in either equation 1 or 2. I'll go for equation 1. What is equation 1? This is 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. In place of v, write 1 by 3. 2u plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 3 and 3 get cancelled. Next, this is 2u is equal to 2. Transfer this 1 to the right hand side. Minus 1. 2 minus 1, it is 1. U is equal to 1 by 2. We got u value as well as v value. Now, we are moving to find out x and y values. Here, to find out x, what should we take? Yes, you are right. That is u. What is u? U is 1 by root x. 1 by root x is equal to u. 1 by root x is equal to what is u? U is 1 by 2. Cross multiply. It is root x is equal to 2. But we want only the value of x. To remove that root, we will go for assuming squaring on both the sides. Then root get cancelled, x is equal to 2 square is 4. Did you understand? Next, we will move on to find out the value of y. Then how do you go for that? This is you have to take 1 by root y is equal to v. 1 by root y is equal to, what is v? V is 1 by 3. Then cross multiply, you will get root y is equal to 3. We want y, hence go for squaring on both the sides. Hope that you have understood here. Here also in the same way. Other side, go for extending it to one more step. Root y whole square is equal to 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled, y. 3 square is 9, that is 3 3s are 9. X is 4, y is 9. Therefore, the solution is, what is that? X is 4, y is 9. Please go for copy. Dear students, please go through third and write with me. First we will copy this one. 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14. And 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Copy it. Yes. Now let us go for solving. Here the terms are in fraction, but one thing you can notice that y term is not in fraction. Is it necessary to take substitution for that second term? Not necessary, but only for the sake of comfortness, that is by taking u and v. If you take substitution for this as u, let us take for this as y. It will be, we feel more comfortable for solving. Yes, write with me. Yes, tell that. What is? That 1 by x is equal to u and this is just y is equal to v. Then how do you write? This is 4 into 1 by x. 1 by x is u. 4u. It is 4u plus 3v. This is equal to 14. You may call it as equation 1. Then this is 3u minus 4v is equal to 23. Call it as equation 2. By which method? If you want, you can mention also by elimination method. If you want, then how do you want it? You have to equalize either coefficient of u or what? V. Let's go for equalizing v. Here 3 is there, equation 2 by 3. Here 4 is there, multiply equation 1 by 4. Yes. 4 4s are 16. Please write with me. Don't be lagging. 4 4s are 16u plus 3 4s are 12v. 14 4s are 56, right? Next, multiply second equation by 3. 3 3s are 9u minus 4 3s are 12v. 23 3s are, it is 69. Change the sign. These two get cancelled. What is 16u plus 9u? This is 25u. And add these two. 9 plus 6 is 15, carry 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now, u is equal to 125 by 25. How much it will be? Yes, you are right. This is 5. I hope that you have got the same. Next, we should find out the value of v. Yes. How do you find out? Substitute. Please write with me. Substitute the value of u. U is equal to 5 in first equation or second equation? It is in first equation. Then first equation is 4u plus 3v is equal to 14, where u is 5. 4 into 5 plus 3v is equal to 14. What is 4 5s are? This is 20 plus 3v equal to 14. 3v is equal to 14 minus 20. What is 14 minus 20? It is 3v is equal to, this is minus 6. Then v is equal to minus 6 by 3. Then v is equal to minus 2. Followed? Yes. We got both u and v values. Then we can find out x and y. How? Let us go for substitution. It is 1 by x is equal to u. What is u? This is 5. 1 by x is equal to 5. Cross multiply. Y goes to the denominator, x goes to the numerator. So x is equal to 1 by 5. Right? Then we should find out y value. Let us go for taking second assumption, that is y is equal to v, where v is minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. Therefore, conclusion, therefore the solution is x is 1 by 5 and y is minus 2. Clear? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Dear students, observe that. Fourth one, it has already been solved. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 plus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. And there we had got the values of x and y as 4 and 5. Right? Yes. And copy the next one. Hope that you have copied, and please start writing with me, and you have to put double star mark for this. It is important one because bit different. How do you go for solving these two equations? Observe. Here the first equation is 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. What does it mean? It means that here first term and second term both are divided by y. Hence, I go for dividing each of these terms by xy. xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. You may cancel x and x and y and y. You can rewrite this equation as minus 2 by x plus 7 by y. This is equal to 5. Clear? Yes. Let's move on to another equation. What is another equation? Please go through that. Even that should also be written in the same way. Look here. And please write with me. These two terms are to be divided by xy. Here I'll write 8x by xy plus 7y by xy, which is equal to 50. Y and y get cancelled, x and x get cancelled, remaining 7 by x plus 8 by y. This is equal to 15. Clear? Now let us go for solving these two equations. But here the terms are given in fraction. Hence we can go for a method called UV method. Then how do you go for assuming? Here let us assume that 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. How do you write this first equation? Write with me. Yes, it is minus 2u plus 7v. This is equal to 5. You may call it as equation 1. Hope that you have written this. Write the second equation in terms of u and v. It is 7u plus 8v. This is equal to 15. Right? You may call it as equation 2. How do you go for solving them? Yes, you can solve them by elimination method. Here I write by elimination method. Elimination method. Then how do you go for that? You have to equalize the coefficients of either u or v. Let's go for u. It is 2 is there, multiply this equation 2 by 2. And here coefficient of u is 7, multiply 1 by 7. Yes. Now minus 2 into 7, it is minus 14u. Next plus 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. 49V. This is equal to 5 is there. 5 sevens are. This is 35. Next. Here multiply second equation by 2. 7 twos are. This is 14U. Plus 8 twos are. This is 16V. This is equal to 15 is there. 15 twos are. This is 30. Change the sign. These two get cancelled. What is 49V plus 16V? 49, 59, it is 65V. What is 35 plus 30? It is also 65. What about the value of V? This is 1. Why? 65 by 65 is 1. Now, find out the value of U by substituting V equal to 1 in which of these two equations? Let us go for taking the first equation. The first equation is, it is minus 2U plus 7V, it is equal to 5. Minus 2U plus 7 into where V is 1, it is equal to 5. Minus 2U as it is 5. 7 ones are 7. Transfer 7 to the right hand side. Becomes minus 7. Minus 2U is equal to, what is 5 minus 7? This is minus 2. U is equal to 1. The value of U is also same, that is 1. Now, let us go for finding the values of X and Y. That's why we have to take the assumption. What was the assumption? We have written, our assumption is 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Here I will write 1 by x is equal to u, where u is 1. What will be the value of x? That is also 1. And 1 by y is equal to v. Then 1 by y is equal to, what is v? V is also 1. Cross multiply. Y is 1. Conclusion. Therefore, 1 comma 1 is the required solution. Required solution. Did you understand? Yes. Please go for copying. I think you have already written with me. No need to copy. If not written, once you go for writing it. Yes. Go through sixth one. Even this is also important one. 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. Here terms are actually not in fraction, but in RHS we have xy term. To cancel that, we will go for following this method. Let us go for taking the equations one by one. 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy. We need to take constant in the RHS. Then what should be done? Yes, let us divide both on both the sides by xy. Divide both sides by xy. Observe it. 6x by xy plus 3y by xy. 6xy by xy. Xy get cancelled. Y and y, and here x and x. Then you can rewrite this as 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 6. Got it? Hope that you are writing with me. If not, you have to pause the video and should copy up to here, and afterwards you can continue. Now, observe the second equation. This is 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Next, what should be done? Same thing, that is divide both sides by xy. Then this will be 2x by xy, 4y by xy equal to 5xy by xy. Xy get cancelled, y and y get cancelled, x and x get cancelled. This can be rewritten as 4 by x plus 2 by y. This is equal to 5. Let us go for solving this. Now you can observe that in both the equations the terms are in fraction. Hence, we need to take substitution. What is that? Yes, here I write. Let in both 1 by x is common. Let 1 by x is equal to, this time let us go for taking m, and 1 by y is equal to n. Mn method. Then how do you rewrite the equations? This equation can be written as, it is 3m plus 6n is equal to 6. And observe, this is 4m plus 2n, this is equal to 5. Hope that you have understood. Now, you may call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Which method you will follow? Yes, you are right. Elimination. By elimination method. Elimination method. How do you go for? Multiply. See that, very simple. 6 and 2 are there. Multiply this by 1 and this by 3. Because 2 3s are 6. Here already 6. Or else multiply equation 1 by 4, second one by 3. However you want. Let me write the first equation. 3m plus 6n equal to 6. Because when you multiply any term by 1, you will get the same term. Next, second equation by 3. 4 3s are, it is 12. 12m plus 2 3s are, it is 6n is equal to 5 3s are, this is 15. Now change the sign. This is minus, is minus, is minus. To get cancelled. What is 3m minus 12n? This is minus 9m. It is equal to 6 minus 15. This is minus 9. Now m is equal to, it is 1. Minus minus get cancelled. M equal to 9 by 9. That's equal to 1. We got m value. Next we want n value. So what should be done? Yes, you are right. It should be substituted. That is, m equal to 1 should be substituted in any one of the two equations. Yes, write with me. Substitute m equal to 1 in, I'll go for taking the first equation. It is 3m plus 6n equal to 6. 3 into where m is 1 plus 6n equal to 6. 6n equal to 6 minus 3. 6n equal to, it is 3. n is equal to 1 by 2. Hope that you have understood. Then now we are going to find out the values of x and y. What is our assumption? Here. 1 by x is equal to m, where m is 1. Cross multiply, x equal to 1. And 1 by y is equal to n. 1 by y is equal to n is 1 by 2. Cross multiply, y equal to 2. Conclusion? Therefore, the solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Hope that you have understood. In the previous problems, we had taken u and v as the variables and we call that method as UV method. As I told you earlier, you may go for taking either a and b, m and n, p and q, but here we have taken m and n. Yes, copy. Dear students, here in the first main, 7th one and 8th one, both are solved. And in second main, they have given statement problems. Please go through this. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. So we have to convert the given statements into mathematical equations. After that, we can go for solving them by any of the methods. In that first one, go through this. Here it is. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current Just by observing that only, we can go for converting this into mathematical equations. Now, just I go for giving you the hint to convert this into equations. Afterwards, you can go for solving yourself. You just observe the last sentence. It is, find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. Say, speed of rowing in still water. You may assume this as x kilometer per hour, because here they have given the distance in kilometer and time in hours. Similarly, please go through this last words. Speed of the current. Current means it is nothing but running water. It is stream of water. So you may assume this as y kilometer per hour. If Ritu is moving in the downstream, here what happens? Here our speed of boating as well as running water, both will be added. Then could you tell what will be the speed of rowing in downstream? It will be x plus y kilometer per hour, right? Similarly, what about in case of upstream? If she has to move in the upstream, our rowing speed should be more than that of the running water. Hence, the net speed will be x minus y kilometer per hour. After getting this, you can go for these two statements. That is, Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours. So, just by observing that sentence, you can come to know a physical quantity has been introduced. Which is that? Yes, you are right. It is speed. Then what is the speed formula? It is V is equal to d by t. Here, time has been given. See, she can row downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours. So, time can be written as distance by speed. In downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours. Then 20 kilometer is to be covered with the speed of x plus y in 2 hours. Clear? Yes. Now, similarly, you can go for another one. Upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. 4 kilometer. She will cover a distance of 4 kilometer in upstream. Then what is her speed? It is x minus y. It is equal to how much time has been taken? Here also 2. Now see that we have got two equations. In both the equations, the terms are in fraction. So as I said, you just go for trying that yourself. Then in the next class, I'll give you the answer. Okay. Dear students, with this, let us conclude the class. Before concluding, let me remind you an important thing, as I remind you every day. Whatever the problems we have solved, all are very important in the examination point of view. Please do practice them today itself without fail. Got it? After that, you can go for solving this. Tomorrow again, I'll give you the solution for this. Yes, with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.